Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and to kick off the show we've got something very different for you. And when I say different, I mean this thing is so ultra sick. So Will Mayo dropped us over this edit. It's got big heads and medium tricks. In fact, they're his words, not mine. This thing just absolutely made my day. So after watching a host of interviews on mainstream media, including David Letterman, one question keeps popping up. Where did the word goofy come from in relation to your stance? Well, I'm going to tell you. It came from a 1937 Disney cartoon called Hawaiian Holiday, and you see the character Goofy himself surfing right foot forward. You know what? It's the only way you need to ride. You got to ride goofy. Check this out.
Hey, look! I made it! I made it! Oh, yeah?
Well, thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard. It was all about big heads, well, cartoon heads and cartoons. Best show ever. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter. See you all later.